Mike. All right, Mikey. All right. This market is about to start in about 15 minutes. The Globex Asia, guys. Welcome back, everybody. Hope you all had a great day. Do not worry, guys. I am here, guys. I am back again. Woo! What a long day. Holy man. Might pull back tonight. Oh man, I kind of given up on this market, guys. Honestly, it's I don't like it. I don't like this. Oh man, look at this pump in this market today. Incredible. Nvidia pullback, but the market's up, and AMD down as well. Incredible, everybody. Yeah, what a roller coaster. I mean, I did not really get a chance. This is probably one of the few days, not a day where I could not trade all my accounts. I could not trade 50% of my accounts today, which is obviously very unfortunate, but again, it is what it is. What's even more unfortunate thing is I traded one of my Take Profit Trader Pro account, and that's really something that really annoys me, because right at the start to the day I had $900 of profit, right? And I said, okay, I'm gonna make a couple $100 more, and then guess what happened? I went down $800, and I had to struggle to find a way to go back to break even. And so eventually I found a way to get it pretty close to break even, kind of down a little bit, but I mean pretty close to break even, and that was it. At least I kind of survived in that account, but it's very unfortunate. I could have taken another daily payout tonight, but that daily payout comes to an end. The account's still there. It's just that I did not get a chance, unfortunately. Yeah, I was kind of down about 30 bucks. As you guys can see on this left hand side on that account, 51,976. Yeah, I was down about 24 bucks, but I was up $900, and then I ended up giving back about 1,000 bucks, a give or take, you know what I mean? And then I had to kind of like curl back up again to find myself back to break even, at least bare minimum. But this market was just incredibly annoying. And of course, I did not find a way to get into a better trade using my phone, of course. And yeah, I had to kind of call it a day, and I could not trade all my accounts, unfortunately. So a lot of my accounts are like kind of missing a day, right? So, which is okay. It's okay. Yeah, man. But hey, man, I just want to let you guys know that greed eventually did hurt me, right? So I'm just letting you guys know that greed really hurts sometimes. But anyways, guys, welcome back, everybody. Welcome, guys. We've got Willie Nikoi, B Adam in the house, Bowser in the house as well. 44 Punisher, Ali, what up, man? ICT? No, that's not ICT. ICE Expert. Oh yeah. Who else? Haley in the house, man. Fon Hong Yong. What the heck was that? Fong. Mr. Fong in the house. Sorry, man. 20 gold. Hey, Rish in the house. Bib in the house. MRC Trades in the house. Dude 45 as well. Let's take a look at the payout tab here, guys. I want to see if everybody's done a great job here today and every day. Wow, we got Bowser kicking us again on the pro account, guys. We see Bowser taking that first. It almost kind of looks like a daily payout for about 5 days now in a row, which is great. Bowser, congrats, man. Congrats. So yeah, I mean, my payouts that I made yesterday, was it mine? Oh no, that's not mine. Mine's here, 875, and I had another one. Oh yeah, 825 here. These all hit the wallet the very same day. Let's take a look at the P&L here, guys. Oh man, look at this Bowser. Wow, that's a lot of Apex funded accounts with $100 of profit. Copy trader, and there we go, man. Billanox account as well, man. That's a lot of good trades here. A1 in the house, man. Holy smokes, that hits a new record here. 590 trades. I love it, brother. I love it. I'm assuming you're trading your micros, I guess, right? But this is a listed trader account. Nice, 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 man. Ruwer also kick ass the market. Lots of profit here, man. Holy, man, this goes in like thousands now. Incredible Ruwer. Oh, Bowser again, man. Look at this, Bowser. Holy, this is pretty good. Pretty good. These are all funded accounts. Oh, this is in Eval. This is Eval as well. Yeah, but good profit, man. Passing a single day, incredible. Yeah, and this is obviously his Apex accounts that he passed. All right, man, good stuff, man. All of you did a great job. Great stuff, man. Good stuff. Let's take a look at the main chat here. Ooh, yeah. So anyways, guys, back to the trading now. All right, so we've also got a giveaway here happening tonight. Not just one giveaway. I'm gonna do for sure. I'm gonna do two, and we'll target 3 if we can. Okay, 2 for sure. The first one goes to Tradify account, 50K growth challenge account, guys. I'm gonna start the entry right now. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, guys. Type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to get a ticket and to be able to participate on our Tradify 50K account giveaway, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are part of this. All right, and this market is about to start in about 5 minutes, and now I am not sure. Honestly speaking, I am so frustrated with this market price action, to be honest. So I am kind of like, what am I supposed to do now, right? Very unfortunate. I forgot to trade some of my Apex accounts, which obviously now doesn't count as a day. But it's okay. It's all right. You know why? Because I did not lose a lot of accounts today, so that's good. On a good note. Oh yeah, I lost one legend account yesterday, and I lost one this morning. So I'm down to 2 now, which is very unfortunate. But at least it's not a funded accounts, right? That really matters. 1 second, guys. And I do not have anything to request other than Top Step, which is weird. They have not updated the dashboard just yet. Oh, I can request the payout, guys. Hold on. Hold on, everybody. Hold on. There we go. This is my request here, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, StockTiger requesting a payout with Top Step. Holy mochaccino. Request a payout. I can request $3,600. It's unfortunate you have to wait a day to request a payout. I'm going to request this bad boy right now. How much was it again? 36? I think it was $3,600. I'll request that right now, guys. All right, so that's 3240, right? Yeah, 3240. I'll share this. I'll share this on the payout tab. There we go, guys. I've requested a payout here with Top Step. Yeah, I kind of had to wait for a day, so that's $3,200 through Wise. All right, 32. I'll take it, guys. I'll take it. And we'll take it, everybody. Now this market's about to open in 2 more minutes. Oh, by the way, yeah, we'll 1 second, guys. I've gotta set something up here. I forgot. We'll call out the winner at about 180 likes, guys. All right, we've got one more minute. Do you trade with Top Step? Oh, by the way, sorry guys, I'm missing a lot of questions, right? And honestly, that's not intentional. I'm missing a lot of questions because this chat's moving pretty quickly, so I'm just not able to read all of those comments. My apologies if I miss it, and if it's meant for me, just type it again, right? And I'll make sure to respond back to you guys. Top One, no, I'm not trading with Top One. I've not traded with Top One at all. And I have not traded with Alpha Futures as well. I know there's a lot of firms out there, guys. It's not like there's just so many.
The market is open.
All right, guys, it's market open now, guys. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are trading Globex Asia, the smallest and the tiniest session ever. All right, fellow traders, this market is pulling back here now, down about 0.1%. I wonder what Nvidia, what was that all about? Nvidia down today, right? That was pretty incredible. All right, so the thing is, right, VIX pulled back underneath the $18, right? You guys know when as soon as we try to see the VIX down into below $20, it's, you know, it kind of puts pressure off on the equities, right? Usually that's what it is, but we're down to the $18 now, so we'll see how this thing goes. The gold actually took a bounce. I don't know if you guys capitalized on that gold move to the upside, but what an incredible move by the gold here today. I wanted to just quickly take a look and see what is up with Nvidia. What was the catalyst to move this Nvidia down? I did not really get a chance to see the news today, so I'm definitely kind of missing out on the market fundamental story. What's the, well, just want to quickly see the Bitcoin down to $87,000 again. All right. He was effed FUD, man. What does that mean? Some Russian peace deal may be related to Google to provide chips to Meta. Google is in talks with Meta to provide chips. What does that mean? Does that mean Google is gonna take over Nvidia chips? I don't understand. I'm definitely missing out news, guys. I'm sorry. I did not get a chance to take a look at the news. Other companies using their own chips instead of Nvidia's. Oh, I see. Okay, so I guess everybody's kind of going, okay, well, do we really need Nvidia chips? Is that what it is? But Google does make their own chips. Oh my God, really? And Meta is picking Google over Nvidia? Oh man, we have a problem. Really? If that's the case, Nvidia is gonna dump. It's just one company, but of course it's a pretty expensive company too. I wonder how this, well, did the market actually stall here? It's not moving right now. Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna move back to the tick chart. Tick chart. Tick chart. All right, guys, here we are. Oh man, this Globex ASIA is not moving at all, man. I thought, honestly speaking, I thought because it's a long Thanksgiving week, I thought this market was not gonna move today, this morning. Honestly, I thought. But guess what happened to this market this morning, man? It was incredible. I was like, I didn't know, I didn't have a word to explain this market this morning, guys, man. It was a massive dumpage early in the game, right? We dumped about 200 points and that was quickly bought, right? And then we just kept moving here to the upside, and there was no way for me to kind of like you know, every time I thought I was chasing right up here as well, I was like, you know what, I'm even chasing, so let's just not get into this trade. And honestly, every time I tried to get in, it was kind of like a chase mode, so I did not get in. I was looking for that pullback. We never really got a pullback, and it ended up going without me all day long. And finally, I tried to go long here, I guess, and then it started to pull back, and that's when I kind of got hurt on my Tech Profit Trader Pro account. But obviously, I found a way to curl it back up again. So, all right, guys, we are on a 200 ticks chart on the left hand side, and we got a 30 minutes chart on the right hand side. And obviously, the longer time frame looks pretty good, right? We actually got a nice, beautiful breakout, right, this morning off that 900 area. And it started to push back into $25,000. We are right at 25,080 here. And yeah, let's see if this market truly has what it takes to get a bounce. Google looking pretty strong, right? Google had a pretty strong bounce. And let's just take a look and see what the Google is after hour. Yeah, so Google is at $320 right now. 324. Maybe I should have gone long Google all day long. It's incredible how things change every day. Every day we've got some new news. Every single day. Wow. Incredible, guys. Saito Del Quant, man. Hey, man. It's my pleasure. It's my honor to be able to live stream here in front of my fellow traders, including you every day, guys. And by the way, if you guys are new here, you guys know I go live every day during the Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. I also go live during New York as well, twice a week. I was gonna go live this morning. I could not do that because I could not get back on time on my desk, and unfortunately I had to avoid that. We will get back. I'll let you guys know. We will definitely do at least twice a week, guys, in the morning. The morning session. All right, guys, don't forget to type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway here, guys. Let's get the likes up as well if you guys want to support the stream. I am going to do multiple giveaways today, so stay tuned here, guys. Right, this is obviously in celebration of two things. Number one, we've got some fellow traders taking their first ever payout, guys. And that's incredible. And that's an incredible accomplishment. All right, if you guys are a new trader, if you guys are fairly new and you're looking for that first ever payout, please DM me if you've actually got it, right? I want to celebrate that journey with you. And of course, Thanksgiving in the US. Multiple giveaways here tonight, guys. Let's get the likes up first. We'll do the first call out on the first giveaway as we get to 180 likes, guys, and we'll go ahead and do another one as well. And that's probably going to be the Lucid accounts, guys. Lucid 50K account on the way right after Tradify is done. All right, guys, we are getting a bounce back up again. We are at 93 here. We are trying to get a breakout now. We'll see, guys, if we hold this area. All right, guys, let's see. It's a man. The Globex ASIA has not been nice and clean. It's been too many fakes up and down, so yeah, it's just not being clean. But I kind of feel like now we are getting that sort of a higher low, right? So I feel a little more comfortable trying to go long here, to be honest, on a pullback for the initial pullback here. You just switched to futures about 7 months ago and got your second payout tomorrow. Nice, man. Tyson Prosper. Good stuff. good stuff. All right, somebody asked me if you have loaded some accounts thanks to the Black Friday offers that we have. Honestly speaking, I have not done any load ups on accounts just yet. I do know that we've got a lot of offers now on board. I'm waiting for a day or two to kind of gauge where I'm gonna put my budget, right? Obviously the resources are not unlimited, right? We've only got so much we can spend in a given month. And so I'm kind of going, okay, well, which is the one that I'm going to be putting my money into? So I'm going to have to patiently wait. I may spread it across the board, to be honest with you. I may spread it across Lucid. Depends on what Lucid comes up with. I don't think Lucid is up just yet, but I'm probably assuming they heard me talk about the 150K that I'm really pissed at, right? So we'll see how Lucid comes up with an offer. And we've obviously got Tradify now. They're 40% off across the board, which is great. We've got Apex 80% off and $10 lifetime activation fee on the $100,000 accounts. And then who else? We got Top Step as well, $89 all in. Funding ticks, I haven't heard anything about funding ticks just yet, so we got funded next with an offer. If you're a first-time user, you get 25% off. That brings the hold on one second, let's quickly take a look at the accounts. So if you are new to the funding ticks, you get 30% off, right? That's for the new users, right? So funding next, right? You got for the new user, you get a huge discount, 30% off on 50 and 100k legacy challenges. And of course, the great thing is that consistency rule is officially removed. That's a big deal. Okay, there we go. That's a big deal, right? And for existing users, you get 15% off on your rapid and legacy resets. Discounts applied obviously direct to the base price. So pretty good deal on funded next as well. On a 50k, you're only paying $111. So pretty good. And obviously, if you guys go take a look on my PROPFIRM discounts, there are a whole list of all the discounts that is there right now in the market. The Black Friday, pretty much all the firms across the board are up and running now. So, all right, guys, let's just take a look at this market, guys. We are kind of chopping in this range 87 area. Let's see if we can actually hold and try to push this thing back up over 100 area. All right, guys. Oh man, there's so much of chat going on. Looks like X platform will soon only be available with Top Step. Yeah, that's old news. It's been there for a while now, so I guess they're gonna probably do it probably at the end of early next year. I guess that's what I heard. Then Emmons, you have 550k accounts that listed. I can't believe they just introduced the flex option too, but I already haven't. Okay, what's the flex option? I haven't heard anything about that right now. Yeah, I mean, I'm still waiting for Lucid to come up with a better offer on their 150ks, because right now, yeah, I'm still waiting. I don't think they have announced anything just yet. All right, fellow traders, this market trying to get a bounce. What do you think about the Top Step new no activation? 89 bucks. Yeah, you know, 89 bucks with Top Step. I mean, I wouldn't mind loading in like a few accounts with them, right? Few accounts, but yeah, it's gonna be hard. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna always trade Top Step no matter what happens, right? It's just a matter of, am I gonna be very aggressively loading in accounts with them? I mean, at the end of the day, you can only have 5 accounts at a time, right? So it's not like you can have like 20 accounts. But with that said, though, I mean, like consistently, right? Consistently, am I gonna be like 1 or 2 accounts with them, or am I gonna be always try to be like 5 accounts in a given time with Top Step? For now, I'm sticking to 1 or 2 accounts with them, so that's pretty much it. I'm not really trying to look for. I'm not looking to fully load on Top Step just yet with $89. I'm gonna give them a try, 1 or 2 accounts, and see how that goes. If I fail the first one and I paid $89, yeah, I'm gonna hold off. Yeah. But it's definitely very interesting, right? It's definitely very interesting, right? Not just the Top Step, but obviously across the board, right? We got Legend as well with a very beautiful 150k account with $127, right? So all in. So I like that, you know. I like. I'm waiting for funding ticks as well. I haven't seen any deals come from funding ticks. So, did you have any bad experience with Top Step? Oh no, I've been. Not really. No bad experience with Top Step for sure. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I have no complaints. I have no bad experience. Absolutely not. Yeah. Honestly, I don't have any bad experience with anybody else, to be honest, other than my funded futures. But yeah, like everybody else, they try to talk to you. They try to solve the problem. Right, it's a two-way conversation, not a one-way conversation. So So yeah, I mean, other than my funded futures, everybody else, funding ticks is a little bit of a you know, poo poo. But I'm still trading funding ticks, right? So you're not trading with funding ticks anymore. They're suspect right now. Why? Couple payouts in the limbo. Who? Raw trades, really? I love Bulanox. Honestly, I love Bulanox, guys. I love Bulanox, and I feel just bad because I did not really take it. I did not take Bulanox very seriously, and I feel terribly terribly bad. So I'm gonna step up. I'm gonna step up, and I'm gonna really do well with Bulanox, right? Just like the way I do with Apex accounts, just like the way I do with Take Profit Trader, everybody else. I'm gonna consistently look for payouts with Bulanox, and I'm gonna load in accounts with them just like the way I do with everybody else who I love trading with, right? So Bulanox definitely on my radar. It's definitely one of my better firms for now. I haven't heard anything bad about Bulanox either. So Bulanox is a great company, by the way, guys. I'm no lie. It's just because I'm not trading them right now, it just doesn't mean that they're not good. I mean, you know, I've been sucky. Right? That doesn't mean it's a bad firm. You know what I mean? Thanks, guys, for being here, guys. How was my day? Honestly, I did not really get a chance to trade a lot today, this morning. I really did not get a chance. I am so pissed. Half my accounts I did not trade today. 50% of my accounts I could not trade today. Oh yeah, man, by the way, it's gonna get pretty interesting once everybody move away from Project X. Where are they gonna go, right? And quite honestly, for me, it doesn't really matter because I already trade with Quant Tower, and I love Quant Tower, so it's okay. Because Bulanox was trading Quant Tower before, right before they actually moved to Project X, right? So everybody else trading Quant Tower as well, so I have no problem. But I do know that there's a lot of traders loving Project X, and they do not want to move to anything else, and I know that. So I wonder how these firms are gonna come back and respond, right? Like Lucid, for example, Tradify, Bulanox, and everybody else, right? Please explain about the hold on one second, guys, man. I'm missing a lot of chat here. My apologies, everybody. Once again, if I'm missing a chat and you're directing it to me, please talk to me once again, okay? Keep typing in. What's your favorite firm? My favorite firm is Take Profit Trader and Apex. That's my top two. I don't know about top three, top four, but top two, if you ask me now, it's what do you call this? Take Profit Trader and Apex is my top two. Do you mind explaining what happened with my funded futures? Not really. I don't want to talk about my funded futures. Got our per dia instant funding.
Connection
Nice,
lost.
man.
Connection
Per dia instant funding. How much is that? Nudge
Connection
rate
lost.
order. You want to let me know how much it costs to trade the per dia? I thought they're really expensive firm, by the way. All right, guys. I'm trying to get into a trade, but it's just not giving me a chance to hop in on this very tight 10 points range. I'm not interested. In the meanwhile, guys, while I'm going to allow this market to do its thing, let's take a look and see what everybody is talking about right now. Only limited time Bulanox. What platform they're gonna have? Oh yeah, I'm assuming they're gonna go back to Quant Tower. To be honest with you, there's really nothing that's gonna replace Project X, right? Not from a user experience standpoint, but it's just the way the platform actually looks and operates and executes orders, right? The closest one is probably Quant Tower, to be honest with you, but we'll see. What do you think about Take Profit Trader latest deal with the refunds on evals? I think it's a pretty good deal. You know, we just they had that deal 6 months ago, and everybody was really having a lot of fun with it, right? And today, just because they used to be 40%, it doesn't look as enticing. But I think it's still a good offer, in my opinion. If you kind of believe that you can, you have what it takes to get the payouts. So out of 5 accounts that you load in, if you're able to get a payout on 2, then you're pretty successful, right? It kind of pays off that 10% difference versus the 40% off that we used to get right before this offer, right? So Protea accounts 425. Oh man, yeah, I'm not, yeah, it's too much for me, bro. $425 I'm not gonna pay. I'll rather pay 4 accounts with no activation on an eval and loading 4 accounts. Yeah, that's a lot of pressure to trade an account with $400 on a direct funded account and not to a 100k account. Yeah, it's hard. So no go for me on a Protea for sure. They have a 50k also, but that's a good deal, yeah. But it's a tighter, small drawdown, right? That's the problem. Oh, yo, everybody, welcome back, guys. What would you go with Apex 100k? Would I go with 100Ks? Honestly, I'm not sure. Just because it's kind of like $10-20 cheaper, that doesn't mean that I'm gonna go with something that I've not really traded with as much before. I've traded the 150Ks, you guys know that, but I mean 100Ks, I've never really traded the 100Ks. So just because it's $20 cheaper, that doesn't mean that I'm gonna go after 100k. So I don't know. I may probably just end up trading the 50Ks, right, and not bother 100k, right? I mean, it's still a great offer that we have with the Apex, 80% off, guys. It's $33 on a VIFMIC account, and once you pass, you're only paying $40. So that's literally $70 all in, 75 give or take on a VIFMIC account, right? So I think that's a pretty good deal. And you also have like $2,500 drawdown that we don't really talk about too much. But $2,500, even though it's a trailing drawdown, you have $2,500 drawdown, right? It's hard to kind of blow that account right off the bat. That's a lot of drawdown, by the way. That $500 makes a huge difference. I thought the stick trader. Yeah, I think it's stick trader that you guys were talking about on Discord, right? What do you use to copy trade all the accounts? I did not copy trade at all. I don't copy trade any of my accounts, guys. And that's the difficult challenge that I'm kind of going through as we speak. I'm finding it very, very difficult to trade all accounts individually, and that's a bit of a challenge, if you will. It's a bit overwhelming as well too. So I'm gonna have to find a better way to kind of manage my accounts going forward. Of course, if you're gonna copy trade, it's gonna take you a lot more. I mean, it's gonna cost you a lot more because now you're gonna have to. Because if you end up blowing your account, you may end up blowing not just one, but you're gonna end up blowing like 4 or 5 accounts at the same time. So that's a bit of an emotional pressure for me that I'm not kind of used to. So I'm gonna have to make some adjustments down the road, but I'm gonna take it slow and not try to make a big adjustments, because you know, if you try to make some adjustments in your trading journey, then it's gonna kind of hurt, right? Funded Futures Network, BOGO promo is still the best. Why is it not popular enough? Because I think it's a hot deal, in my opinion. Funded Futures Network, I think it's a legit firm. I mean, you got a lot of traders on our Discord actually trading Funded Futures Network, right? I think it's a pretty good deal to me, but it's just that for me, their platform though, it's another one that you know, it's a bit, you know, bit of a problem, if you will, right? So I don't know. I thought it's stick trader. Oh, yeah. All right, so here I am, guys. I'm still looking for some trades. Obviously, this market did not do anything just yet, so I'm finding it difficult to take a stab here in this trade, even though I'd love to. Oh my god, I'm trading mini contract, guys. No go. Be careful, StockTiger. You've been making a lot of mistakes lately. Trading, like, instead of trading micro, I'm trading mini contracts. That's not good. I've got to be careful, guys. All right, so I'm gonna try and
order submitted.
Hold on one second. Don't you guys think this market looks a bit exhausted here, right at this level here? To be honest with you, I kind of feel like eventually we find a way to get back into the 180 area, but I kind of feel like this market is a bit exhausted here. a bit overextended to the upside. Feels like some kind of a pullback maybe due. If you just take a look at the Bitcoin, guys, the Bitcoin did not really get that sort of a bounce that we're looking for, right? So the Bitcoin down. If you just go back to the 1 hour chart, we are down quite a lot, right, on the Bitcoin. And we're not seeing that sort of a strength in this bounce on Bitcoin. So there must be something, you know, boiling under the surface here on the Bitcoin world. There's got to be some reason why we're actually not getting that kind of a bounce in the Bitcoin, guys. Hold on 1 second, guys. 1 minute. How do I fix this bad boy right now? Oh my god. Oh my god. I forgot how to fix this. Anyways, whatever. Anyways, so yeah, the Bitcoin are looking definitely a lot weaker, right? So I'm kind of going, okay, well, the Bitcoin's not getting a bounce. We're still sitting at $87,000 in the Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the gold, guys. The gold looking a lot better. Obviously, we got a big bounce on the on the gold. The gold kind of hitting that ceiling though, right at this pivot. I wonder if we are gonna get a rejection there and give us that pullback here today, right? Yeah, I would prefer to try and short NQ here, guys. That's what I'm gonna try and do. Let's try to short NQ, right? I want to try and short NQ here. There we go. What platforms do you trade your take profit trader on? I use Tradeovate to trade my take profit trader. MRC trades, you have 4 accounts. You take Tick Trader. I mean, I don't think there's gonna be anything wrong with Tick Trader, bro. Just make sure to get your payout pretty quickly here, just in case. But this account only need to lose about $300 to blow it. Cobalt, what are you talking about? Oh, I see. You did this morning. You traded 2 cons at the bottom. I thought it was doing micros. Yeah, man. I make a lot of that mistakes lately. I've been so silly, willy, right? Obviously, I'm using my phone, and I kind of forget that. I've been making a lot of mistakes lately, guys. I've got to be careful and really kind of slow down and take. Do not be too overly aggressive in my trades. Once again, guys, thank you everybody for being here today. We got our giveaways here. Oh man, I can't even speak anymore. 25 50k account growth challenge, right? With no activation, we are gonna be going to do our first giveaway here in few minutes. Let's get the likes up though. Thank you guys for being here. Turn off the trade mode on NQ mini contract. But I mean, I can't do that either because it's not that I don't trade NQ, right? But I just keep flipping back and forth between NQ and the micro. So that's but it's okay. It's not like I do it every day. And that mistake is not done every day, so I'm okay with it. Yeah, sometimes it kind of costs me, but changing copy trading but proceeding as normal. Citadel Quant could slowly transition to copy trading by adding a copy account but proceeding as normal. That is possible. That is possible, yeah. I mean, copy trading maybe 1 or 2 accounts maybe at a time. But I haven't tried that just yet. I haven't tried that. Yeah, I mean, Zebek the Midget, I heard that on our Discord. I mean, it's maybe there's something else that's kind of, you know, maybe it's not just related to payments. Maybe there's something else. Maybe there's you know, disputes going on. Maybe that's the reason why they're not paying. So we haven't heard anything from Tick Trader just yet, right? So we're gonna have to kind of wait and see the other side of the story. But yeah, I also got an email from Trade Day about their Trade Day X issues. All right, so I think from December 31st, Trade Day evaluations, traders will no longer be able to purchase the reset. Any Trade Day X subscriptions will not renew after this date. Wow, it almost kind of looks like by end of this year, pretty much everybody's gonna have to move away from Project X. For me, it's okay because you guys know I trade. I'm not a big fan of Project X to begin with. Now, I used to love Project X, not anymore. I kind of feel comfortable now trading through Tradovate and Quantower, so I'm completely okay with that. Guys, if you type in more than one exclamation tiger, I may have to give you a timeout, so just be cognizant about that, right? Don't blame me, right? One last warning. Thank you guys for your support. Love you guys. I'm just gonna time you out, guys.
Order filled.
Without, are you long or short? I cannot really see. Oh, I'm trying to short the pop here, guys, in this market. So does that affect Top Step X? I don't think so. I think Top Step X is taking over. Top Step is taking over Project X, right? I think that's what I'm hearing. I may be wrong, but I think that's what I heard. Yeah, I have no request to pay. I have no payout request to make on Apex for now. I'm gonna have to wait. I think my payout request for the month of November is over with Apex accounts. Yeah, I got denied. I'm getting a lot of denials, by the way, with Apex accounts. But I mean, I'm looking forward to December with Apex because I think I could do pretty well from a payout standpoint with Apex accounts in December, not now, in December, because I just keep getting denied on the payouts with the Apex for some reason. So, well, not for some reason, I kind of know why, but you just transition from Tradovate to Top Step X. Hopefully I can use both eventually. I mean, if you're trading Top Step, then you have absolutely no problem. Yeah, you have no problem, guys. If you're trading Top Step, then I don't think you're gonna have to move. I'm gonna try and short the pop here, guys. By the way, we're sitting at 25,081 area, so, and this market is really slow, guys. Oh my god, it's not even funny anymore. Why don't we just have fun with the giveaways here, guys, man? Holy mochino. The Globex Asia is not fun, guys. What is up with this Globex Asia anymore? Incredible. Lots of volatility here. 5 points. Woo! Yeah, baby, let's go. The no activation fee is a great price on what firm again? I mean, I'm okay with Top Step offer. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Guys, we'll do our first Tradify account giveaway here in as soon as we try to get to 180 likes. We'll get our first one going and we'll go ahead and do our second giveaway right after that as well, right? So let's get this going, guys. Thank you guys for your support, and thank you guys for being here, and thank you guys for smashing the like as well. Love you guys. All right, this market is dumping. Wow, I'm up $14. Yes, woo, let's go. $14, guys, I'm up. Woo, yeah. Now $14 is gonna pay for my coffee. All right, guys, just give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna go back and grab my coffee here. I was going to make one before I hopped onto the stream, but I forgot. Sorry, guys. Burger King is a lot more expensive now. It's $22, by the way. I ran out of beans. Oh my god. Too much coffee every day, guys. Definitely a big problem. Dan Amon's. There's a little bit of change in Dan Amon's chart. Oh, Dan Amon's going long. 2 contracts, 26 contracts. 26 contracts, $500 going long here. All right. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here, guys. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit, not as much, but all right. So we've got Dan Amon's going long and StockTiger shorting in this market. Let's find out who wins the battle, guys. Let's see who wins the battle, everybody. Hey, man, guys, I hope you all had a great morning. Did anybody had a bad morning, guys? Other than a few that I talked to. I hope you all had a great morning, though. Got yourself $100 payout on what account, Boy Pablo? The gang trader, what up, brother? The scrub master, trash trader. You're new to Apex. How to trade? Comply with the 5-to-1 risk reward rule. How to set stop loss. Oh man, that's how to show that we have TP and SL. You don't have to show. It doesn't have to be a hard TP and a hard SL on Tradivate. Yeah, you don't have to do that. It could be a mental, right? It doesn't have to be a hard stop. That I know for sure, because you guys know I hardly put mental. Sorry, you guys never see me put SL. Even right now, I don't even have SL here on my Apex account that I'm trading right now. So, how do you do the spider web trades? Spider web trades are, if you just take a look at this box here, chart setup, right on the left hand side, and the fill and the orders show the fills, right? Oh, sorry, it show the trade lines, and this is what you're gonna have to click to make sure you're in that. Right, that's gonna get you all the spider web. And quite honestly, I don't like the spider webs, man. It's just there because I keep forgetting to take it off. I mean, yeah, I mean, I've got a mental stop. I don't necessarily put a hard stop in my trades. Usually I don't. It also really depends if I truly have to. It's usually because it's that account's pretty close to getting payout, or it's a very, very important account, right? And that's the reason why I put a hard stop. But usually on a brand new funded accounts or say eval accounts, I don't put a hard stop. Which to the largest single payment you've made, and this with which firm? Oh my god, man, that's it's hard to say. TCE expert, it's hard to say a single payment, because if you just think about it from a grand scheme of things, a Bill&Ox and Apex account, you cannot get a big single payment, right? Because the max payout is only $2,000, and that's also with listed trader account, that's also with Tradify. A lot of these firms are coming up with the max payout that's $2,000. There's only a very handful of firms that you can actually take a big payout, and that's the Take Profit Trader, Top Step, and I guess few others like Funding Ticks and Funded Next, right? And Funded Next is fairly new, so for me, the biggest one I had based off that thesis that I just explained to you, Take Profit Trader, I think I've taken the most. I can't remember exactly how much I've taken, but I think I've taken about $6,000 to $7,000 on Take Profit Trader, and I've also taken $5,000. That's the max you can take on Top Step, right? That's a single most payment you can actually take is $5,000. Maybe a Take Profit Trader was also 5. I'm not sure. I think it was 7K if I'm not wrong. But yeah, Take Profit Trader and Top Step is the most I've actually taken from a single payout. But the most payout, I think it's still Apex, right? From a firm standpoint, Apex is probably the largest one so far if you combine all the payouts, like between this year and last year. Yeah, no, Take Profit Trader is $20,000 before you go live. Yeah, before you go live. Funded Next isn't new. Don't trust them. I used them to have years. Universal Vibe, that's probably in the Forex world, right? I think on a Funded Next, trading on a futures world, they're fairly new if I'm not wrong. And there's no cap. Yeah, I can't go live with Take Profit Trader. I was supposed to go live with them a while ago, but what's your advice in dealing with intraday trailing drawdown? Just trade the way you normally do, right? Don't try to make any adjustments just because it's trailing drawdown or end of day drawdown. But just make sure you try to take your profit sooner, right? Then like for example, end of day, there is a tolerance, right? So if you are up $1,000 and if it comes back to your entry, then you're still okay, right? But on trailing drawdown, if you don't take your profits, then you're kind of given that $1,000 of drawdown, right? So just make sure when you're up, try to scale down. So if you, let's say if you got 10 micro contracts and you're up $1,000, just keep peeling profits off the table as it goes, as it keeps pumping in this market, right? Just keep scaling out and keep taking your profits off the table. And that's how you're gonna kind of manage your trailing drawdown accounts. That's me. I'm not saying that's what you have to do, but that's just me. Can you get unbanned from Apex, or is it? I think it's permanent if I'm not wrong. I have not heard anybody get banned and go back to trading their accounts. You were just too good, you know. That's the problem. If you're good and you get banned, and that's you know, just be proud of you. Just be proud of what you've done and just move on to somebody else. Really, nothing much you can do, really, other than keep in mind, guys, we got a lot of firms, right? It doesn't have to be one firm that's gonna destroy your trading journey. You can't do that. Yeah. All right, guys, we already got 180 likes, guys. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are the best, guys. Thank you so much for your support to the stream. Guys, we are gonna call out the winner now on our growth challenge 150k, guys. Not 150k, sorry, it's 50k Tradify growth challenge account with no activation, guys. We are right here about to call out the winner. I am going to close the entries. Don't type in anymore, everybody. I'm gonna get mad. Stop. All right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner now. Bowser Trades, your plan is to keep blowing evals even when I'm doing good Apex. You know what, Bowser? That's really smart. Hey, man, I know what you're talking about, bro. You didn't go too much into details, but I know absolutely what are you saying, and I completely agree with you, bro. And that's how it's supposed to be. Gotta be smart, guys. You gotta be smart. All right, guys, close the entries. I close the entry. No more Tiger. No more Tiger. Goodbye. All right, guys, time to call out the winner. I did close the entry. What the heck, man? All right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody. Love you guys. Thank you for being here today and every day. As always, mucho gracias. No pasa nada, everybody. Oh, baby. That's a lot of Spanish. Anyways. Alright, guys, we're getting a pullback here, man. I should have gone full port on this bad boy right now. But I kind of like this. I'm going to add some more to my short position, guys. And look for target, initial low. And that's where I'm going to be targeting.
Order.
Four contracts.
Order canceled.
4 contracts. Come on, guys.
Submitted.
Not a big deal. It's just 4 contracts, man. Not the end of the world.
Order submitted.
All right. Anyways, back to... I mean, market's slow. Yeah, be Adam, man. This market is... Holy smokes, man. Slowest ever. It's always been like this, I guess, right? Not really, but I mean, in a lot of cases. Very frustrating, Globex Asia. Mi hablo español, guys. Mi hablo español, Mexico, right? My name game is used to be... Alright, guys. Good luck, everybody. Well, I'm going to call out the winner now. Alright. Oh my god, B Adam. By the way, B Adam, is that you? Your first ever payout as well? A few days ago? Is that you? You actually do speak Spanish? Oh my god. Okay, we got the winner here, guys. Hussein. Hussein. All right, guys. Hussein, you got 3 minutes to confirm that you are here with us right now. 3 minutes. Mr. Hussein. Hussein Young. Mr. Hussein Young. He's left next. He's not here yet. I haven't heard anything from Hussein Young. Damn it, man. I can't even pronounce this thing anymore. Mr. Hussein Yang, man. You got 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes, brother. All right, Mr. Hussein Yong. Oh my God, Hussein Yang is here. Holy mochino, guys. Oh my God. Hey man, no redraw anymore. I mean, it's a good thing, right? It's a good thing. But some feels a little disappointed though. It's a good thing we have a winner. We gotta be happy for Mr. Hussein Yang, but some feels slightly disappointed. But do not worry, guys. We got another giveaway happening here today. Who said young? Powell, CC, what is going on, man? VV in the house, man. Liberated. 94, 49, 47. TC expert. All right, guys. Hey, it's not over yet. And by the way, we are getting a pullback as we speak. Make the market move, guys. It almost kind of feels like I'm the only one trading here, making this market move, which is great. All right, guys, we got another giveaway happening here, guys. Hold on one second, guys. I'm up 40 bucks, man. That's gonna pay for my coffee. It's gonna pay for a lot of things, man. Now it's gonna finally pay for something. I think that's Burger King. There you go. 1 second, guys. I'm trying to close this. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do our what again? We're gonna go ahead and do our Lucid Trader account, guys. Oh my God, 1 second, guys. I've got to close this previous one. All right. 1 second, guys. I know you guys are looking for the Lucid accounts, and I'm here to give it back to the community, guys. Love you guys, as always. Just give me 1 minute to set it up. 1 minute to set it up, guys. All right, guys, this market's pulling back here. I'm okay to take one off the table, right? I'm trading the funded accounts right now.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, so this is going to be our second giveaway of the day. And this is going to be our Lucid Trader 50K test account. Obviously with no activation, right? So if you pass, there's no activation fee that you got to have to take care of. So we're good there. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are part of this giveaway. Yeah, I'm making $26, man. Ooh, the biggest and the largest profit P&L here ever. All right, guys, we'll call out the winner at 280 likes, guys. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's make it happen, guys. Or maybe even less. It depends. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. The fact that you guys are here every day with us, and that's what matters the most. And thank you guys always. All right, fellow traders, here we are, guys. This market trying to pull back here, which is great. We called it, guys. We called it. We called it, everybody. We are making lots of profits. 40 bucks. Holy man, that's gonna pay for my coffee. That's gonna pay for my Burger King. What else is gonna pay for? What else, everybody? The winner goes to the first one, the 25 account giveaway. Went to I think I'm having a little bit of a hard time pronouncing it, but I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Husei Yong is the winner of our first giveaway, and that's the 25 50k account. And here we are on the second giveaway right now, guys. 50k account, Lucid, with no activation fee if you pass. Let's go, baby. Let's go, everybody. All right, I'm looking to trade, but I'm just not getting what I want. You know what I mean? Like, this market has been so cheap. It's not giving us any trade setups here. I'm willing to trade anything this market gives me today. Willing to trade anything, everybody. I'm just not getting anything right now. That's the problem. We'll try, guys. We'll try. Where I've got 3 contracts here, it's not gonna like kill me if we get a bounce. Not the end of the world, guys. But I'd like to see some flush down though, man. We've been just getting a big smack in the face bounce in the last few days. The thing that kind of concerns me a little bit is the Bitcoin, guys. The Bitcoin's just not getting a bounce, right? The Bitcoin's kind of stalled, and we are on a 1 hour chart, and almost really kind of looks like we could see another leg to the downside on the Bitcoin, which is kind of like very, very confusing market, guys. Usually if the Bitcoin pulls back, NQ kind of follows, but it takes a little bit of time to kind of follow, but eventually they kind of complement each other. Market being stingy. Yeah, man, I need some profits, man. Come on, market, give me that pullback. I'm up still 16 bucks, man. I'm still up 16 bucks. Don't be ungrateful. You making, yeah. yeah, I'm down now, guys. I literally gave back $40 that I made. Give them back, and we are now down. Congrats, StockTiger, for being down in this market today. Look at this, guys. We literally bounced like 20 points right off that low here. We retested the low here, swing low at 61, and we are getting a bounce back into 71. This market has what it takes to get a bounce continuation here, maybe. I am gonna try and short. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Man, this is a pretty aggressive buy.
Order filled.
Look at that, guys. Buying pressure stepping in here.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna cancel my limit orders. I don't know. I mean, I kind of feel like still I'm leaning more to the downside for now. I could be wrong. I'm gonna try and short this, but the max position I could probably get to is probably about 6 or 7, and that's it. Nothing more than that.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I don't think I can go anything more than that, to be honest. Yeah. You're on the wrong side. Maybe. I may be on the wrong side, but I may be on the wrong side. Yeah, you're right. Oh, that's a pretty strong bounce, though.
Order filled.
30 minutes chart on the right hand side looks like it's trying to get a bounce back up again. We'll see, guys. I mean,
order submitted.
I'm trying. Don't second guess yourself. We have patience. We trade to. Yes, sir. There we go. I like that universal vibe. I like that. Yeah, it looks pushy to the upside, to be honest. But is that enough to kind of shake me out? Maybe. You got to know where to hold him. I'm holding. I mean, we're in Globex Asia, guys. We are in Globex Asia. But man, I was definitely very surprised with this market this morning, guys. Man, holy. Yeah. First of all, I was really surprised that the market was actually tanking. I was like, what the heck is going on right now? The market tanking this morning. And then the tank was bought. And I was like, oh my God, I can't believe that either, right? I was surprised that we actually got a big dumpage in this market early at the open. And I got even more surprised that we actually got a big, massive bounce back up again. The pullback was bought, which definitely came as a little surprise to me, but who knows? If ES breaks 67.87, NQ will follow uptrend. ES is getting a bounce right now. Yeah, the ES looking pretty good too. Yeah, ES is actually looking pretty good. Now the thing is, right, the ES has to get a breakout. Yeah, it's really right up there now. Yeah, if we get above this 68.05, then I think you know what, we could hit the ceiling here, guys. ES, maybe ES try to get a bounce, try to push over 68,000, and then it pulls back. But look at that 3 straight green bars, man, in a row. A pretty significant bounce we actually got a few days, well, straight 2 days back to back, and we got a long Thanksgiving. I guess this market may try to celebrate that. You know, we don't really have whales kind of stepping into the market push, right? The big dump we had, 1200 points, was obviously done by institutions, right? It almost kind of feels like the bounce that we are getting right now with the lower volume kind of feels like a retailers, but who knows? Who knows? And then maybe once the Thanksgiving is over, maybe we get another, I don't know, 1,000 points pullback in this market. That's gonna be crazy, to be honest. I don't know what you guys think, but yeah, it's pretty wild times we live in. But look at this, man. We're just up. We're kind of down about 20 points, and now we're back to pretty much break even at this level now. One demand, million points pullback. Yeah, the Wall Street's bet gang. The bot doing all the work right now. All the bots are doing all the works. Algos at the play. I don't know if it's algos, man. To be honest, man, this kind of a move that we are getting, it cannot be just algos. I'll be honest. All right, so here I am, guys. I'm kind of down about $30. Now, of course, now I owe Burger King $30, and I owe my coffee as well now. I gotta go take a loan from the bank to pay for my burger. Holy. My mental stop here, probably in that 105 area, right? 105 area, I'll probably end up exiting the trade right up here, somewhere here, guys. This is my mental stop here, somewhere here. And that's like a real good confirmation that we are actually gonna keep pushing here to the upside. And I don't know if it's gonna be for the rest of the day, but I mean, for now, right? For now. So that's my mental stop that I do that box there. That's my mental stop. Because I think we got levels of resistance here, first of all at 94, and then we got another one at 101. And if we pierce through that with a lot of strength in this market, then I think this market is going to continue moving uptrend. And obviously you're going to see the ES breakout as well at the same time. And we're going to have a nice little follow through to the upside, right? An extended move, and probably end up retesting the high at 135. So I'm going to have a mental stop here at 105 area, 105 to 108, give or take. And if we get a bounce into that level, then I'm going to have to exit my trade. I'll try to add to my position, obviously, as we try to get a bounce. If we do, it looks pretty strong overall. But I mean, maybe a little short-term pullback here, maybe. We'll give it a try here, guys. We'll give it a try. I'm shorting right now as I speak. My average price here at 78 area, so we not going anywhere if you want to pick another winner. Why the Discord link is not working? Discord link is working fine. Absolutely no problem with that. I think I will share the link again. I'll share the link again, guys. 1 minute. All right, guys. Here's my Discord link. If you guys want to hang out with one of the best Discord in the world, you guys are most welcome, guys. I'd love to see you guys there. Oh, I need some more water, man. Yeah, we are finally getting that pullback that we've been waiting for, guys. Maybe I'll try to take one more off the table.
Order
I guess I've got
submitted.
5 contracts already. That's a lot of contracts, guys. I didn't realize I was up 5 contracts.
filled.
Order filled.
I took one off the table, guys. I'm up
Order
$120 on my funded account. I'm probably the only guy trading
Order
funded accounts
submitted.
during Globex Asia, by the way. Love you guys. Right? One of the few. One of the few. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, my Discord link keeps changing. I have no idea, man. I keep saying not to change, and it keeps changing. I have absolutely no idea why the heck it keeps changing for some reason. Shocked us out to go lower. Was that a little kind of fake pump? Yeah, man, this market's kind of really wonky, right? It looks like really bullish, and all of a sudden it's like, you know, boop, you know, pulls back and back up again, pulls back and back up again. So yeah, I'm up. Yeah, now I'm gonna definitely be able to pay for my burger for sure. I think was nothing guaranteed just yet until I close my trade. I was gonna try and take my positions off the table, but it got a quick bounce off that low, so I'm kind of like stuck in this trade now. What the heck, man? Let me
Order
try to take it
submitted.
off right now, guys, man. I'll try. I've got 3 contracts now. I'm gonna take it off pretty quickly here. Back down to the 67. I think we could get another leg to the downside, to be honest. But again, the ES is looking pretty strong right now. Oh my god, I was on a daily chart on ES. So ES, we are right here at 67.85. ES strong, and NQ kind of holding so far. NQ is trying to hold the 65 area, so yeah, this price action is definitely starting to get really interesting. Where are you from? I'm Korean Canadian. I hope that doesn't come as a disappointment for you. All right, man. Do you not trade the Asia sweep strategy? No, I don't. What's rap? No, I don't. All right, guys. We are getting a bounce now. Sean Hazel, are you related to FSP? FSP? I'm absolutely not related to FSP. I'm absolutely not. I hope that doesn't come as a disappointment for you. Guys, man, we are getting a bounce. I'm down now, which kind of sucks, but box match. You guys are funny, man. All right, guys, we are getting a bounce. The StockTiger is down now, which is great. Everybody, all right. 94 area now. 94, guys, man. This is gonna be a big level now. I'm not sure, man. We're trying to break out. We're kind of like trying to create that new trend line, like a trend. The trend, a little bit of a change in the structure, right? The trend is kind of changing. So, oh my god, I can't even like this. Like to draw something on Tradevate, it's like the worst thing ever. The only thing that I don't like about Tradevate is that you can't like. It's hard to draw. Hard to draw your levels, right? That's the problem. So we are kind of like trying to get this another change in the structure and 105, guys, 106 area. This is probably where I'm gonna kind of try to exit my trade if we get a bounce back into those levels. All right, I'm gonna try and add some more here as well.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 7 contracts now. It keeps if this thing keeps pushing up, then obviously I'm gonna exit my trade, right?
Order submitted.
No, just Joy Crypto, just some lines, right? Trend lines and channel support, resistance. But they keep moving too, so that's another problem. When you change that to like different time frames, that levels that I drew keeps changing too, so that's another problem. How many contracts do you trade for New York? Gap, yo. I mean, I don't know if you've seen me trade New York, but it really depends, right? If this market is truly really volatile, then I probably end up trading like 3 to 5 micro. But if it's, you know, a regular say 80 points up and down, I would be like, you know, between 10 to scale into my trades with you know, and end up being like, you know, 10 to 20 micros at most. I don't really trade as anything beyond 20 micros anymore. I mean, I do sometimes, but it's very rare. I have got a really full port, like, you know, getting ready to blow that account because, man, I may be down quite a lot and trying to average down, right? If that's the case, then yeah, I would probably end up full porting. But in a lot of cases, most of the cases, I would probably be like 10 or 20 micros. And sometimes I would trade mini contracts too. So it really depends. I think my proportion right now is probably about 65% trading micros and 35% trading mini contracts, which is kind of working out pretty nicely too. Do you use fair value gaps? I don't use fair value gaps. I use channel support and resistance, right? Those levels within the channel support and resistance, right? That's what I kind of use. I used to use fair value gaps, but I don't really do that anymore. It doesn't really truly matters. Fair value gaps are, at the end of the day, all the same thing, right? Support and resistance is what really matters to me the most at the end of the day.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting a pullback, and the reason why I'm okay shorting this market is not because I truly believe we're gonna get a pullback. You know what I mean? No, it's nothing like that. It's just that I kind of felt like we could kind of chop in this range bound, right? So try to short at the high within the channel, and try to take profits along the way to the bottom end of this channel too, which would be somewhere in that 65. I did not take my profits earlier, but I'm going to be doing that. You guys see me put a hard TP here, right? So if you get a pullback here down into the 70s, 60s, then that's where my final take profit's going to be. And we got a bit of a range, right? But if you break out, which I kind of feel like maybe we may be breaking out, like this box, right? So top of the channel here and the bottom end of this channel here. Well, if we break out of this area, then we could probably just keep moving in one direction. We'll see, guys. Let's see if this market really has what it takes to just keep moving in one direction, or are we just going to be a channel range? I'm leaning more to the channel range, but I could be wrong. All right, by the way, guys, we are pretty close to our second giveaway here, guys. Long NQ at the open. Nice, man. Black Mamba Trader, what is going on, brother? How you been? And by the way, thank you guys for being here every day with us. I go live, as you guys know, Globex Asia, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. That's when I go live every day, and at least twice a week during New York as well. Don't forget to smack the like. Don't forget to subscribe, and do not forget to hit that notification bell as well to always get notified every time I go live between those two sessions. The only session I don't trade is London. And guys, we are trying to break out, guys. We are trying to break out now. We got a last level resistance here. We got to kind of like get a rejection off from. That would be 100 area. 95 to 100. So let's see, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That's it. If we get over 105 to 109, I'll probably end up exiting this trade. That's like breaking out of this trend line too, and then breaking out of this channel resistance. I will have to exit this trade, unfortunately. That's I don't want to be more than, I don't want to be down more than
Order filled.
$200 to $300, right?
Order.
This
Order
is a breaking
filled.
out, guys.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Let's see if the level actually end up holding, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
If we hold, then I'm capito, guys. I'll be out of this trade now for good. The market's up about 0.1%. Yeah, I've got a mental stop somewhere here in this area, so that's it. I'm down about $200 overall in this trade, so yeah, we could just keep pushing. Man, this market is just really incredibly strong, right? Including today, this morning. It looks like it wants to just pierce through this level. Could be, yeah. Tough to kind of hold this trade, to be honest.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
He is trying to break out too.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
Yeah, I think I'm in trouble on this one, to be honest. So we are right at the level now, 107. We could just literally get a breakout now. But yeah, I'm down about $400 now as I speak, which is not great. Let's see, guys, if we get a little bit of a rejection there, and then maybe try to give us a little pullback here. Maybe not. God, man, every time we see this kind of a move, it keeps moving in one direction. Guys, we'll do our second giveaway here momentarily, guys. Just wait. I'm gonna try and either close this trade or just wait for a few more minutes for a little pullback here. One of the two. I'm gonna have to kind of decide what I want to do with it. Yeah, looks like we're getting a breakout, guys, man. Oh, we had Tokyo 20 minutes ago. Yeah, they kind of opened at yeah, that's another problem, right? I kind of forgot about Tokyo too. They opened and we got a bounce. The Tokyo actually took this market up.
order cancel. Order cancel. Order cancel. Order cancel. Order canceled.
Yeah, now I've got a hard stop here at 110 area, 105. Yeah, we are breaking out, man. Fortunately, I think it's gonna go. Oh man, I hate when it keeps pushing in one direction like that. We obviously got something like this in the morning. Not a single pullback here at all, right? We'll see. We'll see what happens now, guys. I'm trying to be a little patient, but again, it's kind of running out of patience too. We got a little break, but I mean, that break was kind of bought right off that EMA 109, 105, sorry, 104. That was a nice little support area for the longs, I guess. So no pullback here, guys. No pullback at all, man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Just bear with me, everybody. I'm kind of stuck in this trade. I'm just kind of like trying to think about what next year on this trade. Just give me a few minutes, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do our giveaway momentarily, guys. Thank you for your patience. I'm down on this trade right now, so I'm just kind of like, I'm kind of thinking about what to do here. I know a lot of you actually went long. Congrats, man, if you guys actually banked on that trade on a bounce. Congrats to everybody if you guys did that. For anybody shorting, it's definitely a lot of pressure right now. We are at 109, guys. We'll take a look and see now. Yeah, I would love to see this thing. I'll give you a little pullback here down, but I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Sicko Wicko, everybody. Sicko Wicko. Holy smokers, no jokers, guys, man. This is pulling back or what now? Am I seeing this real time? Are we getting a pullback here? Is that what is this market trying to do? Holy cappuccino. Do not tell me you're gonna get a bounce right now, guys, man. I'm gonna be freaking pissed. Oh my god, everybody. You gotta be kidding, guys. Don't give me that bounce now. No bounce.
Order submitted.
You freaking milli.
Order
no
submitted.
bouncer right now.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna be pissed.
Order submitted.
Alright, guys, man, this is real,
Order
man. This is a lot of
submitted.
pressure.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna be mad if we get a bounce right now, guys.
Order submitted.
Alright, guys, my
Order
soldier is getting
submitted.
ready with the
Order
TPs.
submitted.
Hard line here in 95, guys,
Order
man.
submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Oh
Order
my
filled. Order filled.
cappuccino!
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order cancel. Order. Order.
Back to
order
break even.
Order canceled.
That mochaccino was holy smokers, no jokers, man. Oh my god. Woo! Alright, guys, man, I'm just down about 30 bucks now. I'm okay. I kind of survived this.
Order
Kind of got
canceled.
tricked on that trade, man. I was mad. Of course I'm mad. Yeah. I'm down 70 bucks, man. That was definitely very tricky, guys, man. That freaking thing tried to trick me. Do not try to do that, Globex Asia. Martinga. Yeah. It's all right, bro. It's all right, everybody. We survived. That's really all that matters. How did I get there? I have no idea. All right, guys, man. What the heck, man? What the heck? I've got 11 contracts now. I don't know, man. I kind of feel like, you know, maybe we get some more pullback here down into the 88. We're going to have to wait and see. LC, you got liquidated, so you need another giveaway. Oh yes, sir, man. I'm gonna do giveaway. Do not worry, hon. Do not worry, hon. I'm here for you. We get more giveaways. I'm gonna give away, yeah. Chinkamura. Lucid will launch Lucid Flex. Oh well. What is that Lucid Flex all about? With no consistency? Ouch, it hurts. With no consistency, what does that mean? What account? What kind of an account? Is it 50k account or gonna be 150k? Tick jumps on the daily chart. We are the future trader, not CFD. Oh my god, man, I'm down again. This bounce was real. Oh man. All right, man, it's gonna be hard now with that sort of a bounce that we are getting right now. I'm back down to $200, but I mean, it definitely feels a lot better than that $600 or $700 I was down, right? Japanese service PPI 2.7%, forecast 2.7. Trump is not considering a direct 2-year subsidy extension. All right, guys, we are getting a bounce, and I've got 11 contracts here, but we're getting a bounce here for now. Let's see if this actually holds. I don't know, man. So far, it kind of looks like this market wants to get a bounce, right? I kind of see that at the moment. But the thing is, right, for how long are we gonna just keep pushing here? We are getting a little break out of this ES trade. We've got that resistance though, a big level of resistance here in this ES at 67.90 area. So let's see if we actually end up getting a break out of this zone. That's gonna be a big one, right? So that's what I'm kind of going, okay, well, maybe we get a rejection before we get a bounce. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm kind of watching, right? The ES looks pretty good, but we got some big fat level of resistance that we have got to get through that. And I don't know if this market truly has what it takes, at least right now during the Globex Asia, to give us that kind of a bounce. So we'll keep an eye on this. Yeah, I'm still down. Where's my entry here? Yeah, my average entry is kind of showing at 107 now. Yeah, I'd like to see a pull back into the 88s, to be honest. I don't know if you're going to get all the way back down to that level, but we'll give it a try. Yeah, I've got some few more payout requests to make. I've already done that with TopStab. I have shared that on a payout tab. That's $3,200, and then of course I already taken my payouts with Take Profit Trader, and I've got some more payouts coming from funding ticks. So I'm gonna have to kind of wait for that to kind of play out in the next day or two. So that's funding ticks payout that I'm kind of waiting in the next few days, and then Apex. The rest of the payouts from Apex has got to be for next month. So I'm kind of looking forward to next month, to be honest with you, because I kind of feel like, you know, we got quite a few accounts with pretty decent size profits. So yeah, things are looking a lot better. I would love to see. I may target like 40K for the month of December. Now that we've got Black Friday offers too, I'm gonna have to load in some accounts as well, right? So I'm gonna load in some accounts in November, of course, thanks to Black Friday. I mean, the offers are not as great as what we thought it is, but it's still, you know, better than the regular offers that we've been getting. So, right? It could always get better, but you know, sometimes it is what it is. We got what we needed, and I'm gonna be using that to take advantage. And I will try to load in some accounts and try to see if I can actually get to a bigger payout in December, right? December is obviously not the kind of a month that you want to be like not just full porting, but I mean trying to go really aggressive in December. I think it's a bad idea, at least for me. But I'm still gonna be looking for, like, you know, a nice little 30 to 40K. We'll see how that goes. Love you guys. By the way, oops, I forgot, guys. We got to do our giveaway, right? You guys be waiting for that. We got we are approaching, well, we still got some ways to go on the ES, right? We're kind of like sitting right at the edge. We could pierce through this level too. So, and meanwhile, while this market's trying to do its thing, I don't know, man, we're kind of down about $200, but I may have to put a little bit of a hard stop here, I guess, right? In that 120 zone.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna have 9 contracts, like a hard stop here in that 120 area, and then I'm gonna look to see if we get a little pullback here down. Probably end up taking some profits.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
So yeah, I mean, we could get a bounce, but we could also get a little slap in the face pullback here. Maybe try to get a bounce after that. Anyways, guys, good luck, everybody. I am going to close the entries for your to do our giveaway. That's going to be our second giveaway here today, guys. Thank you so much once again for being here. You guys know I go live every day during Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time every single night. And then also I go twice a week live streaming during New York as well. And I thank you once again for being here with us all the freaking time. Love you guys. You guys are the best. All right, here we go, guys. I am going to close my entry, man. I'm just kind of like waiting for this market to give me that little pullback here. Little slushy flushy, but we're just not getting any of that right now. It just pissed me off a little bit, just a little bit, you know. But let's see, guys. Let's see if we get a little dumpage here quickly, so I can actually go ahead and do my giveaway. Come on, market. Everybody's freaking waiting for me to do that. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Come on, 107, man. Just give me that nice little flush, man. Give me that nice little 20 points pullback here. Why can't you do that? Why? What's the problem? Why? All right, guys, I think it's that time of the day for me to go ahead and do our giveaway, man. This market is just not like giving me that chance. So might as well go ahead and do what we need to do. And that's what we've been waiting for. Oh, man. All right, guys, good luck, everybody. I am going to close the entry now. Do not type in anymore, guys and girls. All right, guys, I closed the entry. No more entries anymore. Do not do that. Don't be rude. Oh my god, that aim is $3,200? Really? The killer himself, the monster trader, Dan Ammons, the #1 day trader during Globex Asia, banks over $3,000 and 2 on a funded accounts, man. That's a crazy. Oh my god, guys, we are getting a pullback here, guys. I've closed the entry, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are part of this
Order
filled.
yeah. All right, fellow traders, it's that time of the day to call out the winner. The winner takes home the Lucid Trader 50K account with no activation. Good luck, everybody. And this market's trying to get a bounce. Damn it. Damn it. All right, everybody, fellow traders, it's that time. Da 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 da. Boop 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 boop.
Order submitted. Order
I'm
submitted.
just gonna try to place my limit orders as
Order
quickly as I
submitted.
can. 1 second, guys. I've been saying 1 second for the longest time ever. All right, fellow traders, I'm picking the winner. Let's go, baby. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Yeah, it's pretty bad. The spreads are pretty bad. All right, guys, picking the winner. Good luck, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Mr. Futures Flow, you've got 3 minutes to confirm that you are here right now. 3 minutes. Futures Flow. Futures Flow is here or not? Let me know. Mr. Futures Flow. Mr. Futures Flow is not here. He's not here. He's not here. Oh my god. Futures Flow is here, man. Guys and girls, no, that's somebody else. Yeah, Futures Flow is first time hearing his name here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Hey, Futures Flow, congrats, man. You are the winner here, guys. You are the winner here. You're a special winner. Futures Flow, the winner of the listed 50K account giveaway, guys. Holy mochaccino. Oh my god, man. This market is just not doing anything, guys, man. Incredible. Guys, man, don't forget this giveaway. We did multiple giveaways here today, and that was in celebration of two things, right? Thanksgiving
Order.
Order
US,
filled.
number one,
Order
and number
filled.
two, lots and lots of fellow traders, first time ever payouts, right, in this trading journey. You know how difficult it is to get the first payout?
Order.
Order filled.
Every time we have first payouts, we're gonna have to celebrate it, guys, right here in this channel. And I've always done that, and we'll continue doing that every freaking single time. Guys,
Order
man,
canceled.
look at this wonky price action. Are you real? Like, you seriously joking here with StockTiger? Huh? Huh? Talk to me, market. I want to hear from ya. Thank you for the stream. See you tomorrow. Daily day trade. Thank you, brother, for being here with us. Just 1 second, guys. I want to check out something. I'm down, but I've only got 6 contracts now, and it doesn't feel as bad anymore, right? Feels much better than being down about $600 on this account. But there's something that I want to check right now, guys. So just give me 1 minute. I'm trying to see if I got some more giveaways I can do. Just 1 second, guys. I'm trying to yeah, man, I don't know why, but my finger's starting to hurt really hard, really bad right now. I mean, the market's not really getting any kind of a meaningful bounce. I'm just gonna kind of wait. So I don't have any of that. All right, Hard DV, thank you for being here. Guys, we'll do another giveaway, but this is going to be for the legend account, and this is going to be the account that's going to be with the activation. So you're going to have to pay for the activation, but it kind of gives you a chance to test out the account, right? For example, here, right? So the most popular one, this is going to be the apprentice, right? So you're paying right now, it's got 90% off, so it's $19. But then, of course, you've got the 99 activation fee. So if you pass, you gotta have to pay for the activation, right? But this is almost like Apex accounts, put it that way. So this is gonna be an eval. You're gonna have to pay for the activation, right? And I've got some accounts I can give away on this, so we'll go ahead and do that right now. It's not as exciting, but it's an account at the end of the day, so. Good luck, everybody. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna have to set it up too. Holy. At least it gives you a chance to trade the eval account and kind of test the water. All right. 1 second, everybody. I am going to. I'm gonna have to set it up right now. And like I said again, I'm doing this purely because it's Thanksgiving. We also have quite a few traders, like brand new traders. Well, brand new traders meaning we, been trading for a while, but it's like the first payout ever, right? So that's in the celebration. And yeah, it's always amazing to see fellow traders do really well, right? So, oops, sorry, that's canceled. I pressed the wrong button. Sorry, guys. Yeah, just 1 second, guys. I'm setting it up right now. Bear with me, please. All right, guys, here we are with the Legend 50K Apprentice account giveaway. And like I said again, this is an eval account giveaway. And if you pass, you're going to have to pay for an activation. Guys, we are breaking out right now, guys. We are breaking out. Oh, guys, man, we are getting a breakout right here, right now, guys. It's not good. Not looking good.
Order canceled.
Yeah, we never really got any kind of a pullback here, and that I was kind of looking for. So,
order canceled.
I'm just about to exit. If we keep getting a bounce into the 118, 120, I'm down about 200, a little less than $200 on this, but I do not want to keep adding to my trade here. To be honest. Yeah, I don't want to keep adding. But look, man, this market is just trying to get a bounce, man. I'm gonna have to exit right here, guys. I'm gonna have to exit right here. Hold on, something's moving. I don't know what it is, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna exit that. I'm gonna exit my trade right here, guys. I'll let this market do its thing. I don't know, man. This market is just so wonky. Globex Asia trying to make a move here in this market, right? Actually ended up moving about 40 points. I don't know. Now, if I try to long, obviously you're gonna get it pull back here. Anyways, guys, we'll go ahead and do our giveaway now. Yeah, there's no strings attached here. We'll just do a giveaway. I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes to type in those exclamation tiger to give you guys a chance to participate on this giveaway. We'll get it done in about 2 minutes. We'll roll out and we'll call out the winner. I mean, it's a big Thanksgiving week, guys. Let's try to have a lot of fun here. Well, it's not just really all about trading, to be honest. We're here having a lot of fun every day. That's what really truly matters as well, too, right? And if you guys are trading tomorrow, good luck, man. It's gonna be another wild day, in my opinion. So just gotta be let's try to protect our accounts, right? Be safe. I'm down about 250 bucks on this account, which is funded account. We'll try to get it back tomorrow, right? But this market has been really tough to trade, to be honest. Lately, it's been tough, I'll be honest. The last few days it's been really hard. And I'm here trying to survive, right? I'm here trying to survive. I'm here trying to save my accounts, keep my accounts for longer. That's what I'm trying to do right now. And at the same time, try to get some payouts too. But it's been not easy. This market has not been giving you that easy peasy, you know, chance to kind of get to payouts and get a nice little P&L here. It's been tough. It's been tough. I'll be honest. Yeah, man, last few weeks has been really crazy for sure, man. Holy. I wish I was kind of like on a vacation mode and like not be in front of my computer and not trade anymore. You know, maybe probably would have been better off that way. Like stay away from computer for like 2 weeks. That would have been amazing. You know? Oh, look. Look, we're getting a pullback here right now, guys. Look at that, right? It's hard. Globex Asia is not easy either, right? And Globex Asia is like the worst thing. Lately, it's been the worst thing ever. Tough to trade. Look at that pullback right now. We're getting there. Now it's like 12 points pullback here right now. That would have easily given me a chance to... oh my God, look at that, guys. I swear to God, man. I really hate this sometimes. You know what I mean? Are we gonna get a Santa Claus rally? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Like this year could be a little bit of a tough one. If somebody tells you there's a guarantee, I think he's joking. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting a pullback, we're getting a bounce. But you know what? Most, I mean, who cares about Globex Asia? But I mean, the New York has been really tough, man. I wasn't expecting a pullback this morning, guys, to be honest. A massive pullback down. I was definitely not expecting that move, right? You know what I mean? I was like, you know what? Maybe this could be a start of a bigger crack in this market. And then guess what? Next thing you know, this market risks back up again, another 300 points. What the heck, man? How the heck do you kind of gauge where this market's gonna go? Oh, big wild swings, man, up and down. Right, even well before we actually had the 12,000, so not 12,000, 1,200 points pullback last week. The market was already difficult to trade. Guys, if you guys are new in the stream right now, do not forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit that notification bell as well, guys. You guys know I go live every day during Globex every day, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and also twice a week minimum during New York sessions as well, guys. If you guys want to get notified, don't forget to smack that, guys. Let's do it. All right, so here we are, guys. The market trying to pull back here. Kind of feels like we're running out of some juice, running out of buyers, getting a little pullback here down. We'll see if we can actually get that little continuation pullback here back into maybe 25,090 area. Maybe that could be the short-term top. Maybe we'll see, guys. We're gonna about to find out. Once again, thank you guys for being here. Love you guys, man. Let's get our third giveaway. Not as good as the other ones that we had, but still it's a giveaway. You know, it's an eval account. This is going to be the Legend 50k apprentice account giveaway. It's a great firm, it's legit, and I've been trading that for a few days now, and I kind of like it so far. No complaints. So here you go, guys, man. We are getting a little pullback here. I don't know if it's a fortunate thing or unfortunate. I exited obviously my trade right at the top there, right, as you guys can see. Too bad, man. It's too choppy for me to kind of trade either, so we're gonna have to let this market do its thing for now. Any free accounts helps, Tiger. Hey man, Jack, it's my pleasure, it's my honor. Thank you for saying that. And the activation is $99. Have you got payouts from Legend, Raj? This? No, it's been only a few days I've been trading Legend accounts. So far I lost 2. I'm still running the 2 accounts, so we'll see if I can actually pass the other 2. I'm just not a good trader as far as the larger account side goes. Like the 150Ks, I'm really terrible, right? Trying to pass those. Once I pass, I'll get to the funded accounts with the Legend, and we'll see how that goes. Any BTC updates? I've got BTC here. We are getting it's kind of like status quo, right? So far. We hit the low at $80,000, of course, and that's what, this year. Yeah, 80,000, that was the low, and we obviously got a bounce, a big bounce back into the 89, and we really could not get over $91,000, guys. That $91,000 is a big psychological level, and that was gonna kind of give us that bullish move continuation, but we kind of got pretty close, and then we kind of got rejection there. We're sitting at 87,000 now. So far it's not as bullish, right? We got to get out, but we're just not able to do that. So I don't know, right? So we got to get above this level, and we got to do something like that. But so far it's kind of a mixed bag. And we like the strength on this bounce is just not there in the Bitcoin, right? Not as much as the what do you call this? The sorry, not Apex. NQ. NQ is definitely getting a lot more strength of a bounce, including ES. The Bitcoin's kind of doing its own thing. It's weird, but it's weird. I don't know what does that mean. Does that mean this market is gonna actually end up getting a pullback? Maybe, right? I'm not in a camp that we're just gonna constantly get a bounce and you know, a reversal, a complete reversal here. I don't know if that is the case here. I may be wrong, but I'm just not in that camp just yet. It's going to back to test the NYC high? I wonder what was the NYC high. I can't remember. What was the NYC high? Oh, 135? Is that what you're saying? 135? Yeah, it's definitely possible, right? We're kind of like creating that higher low here. So I do see the bounce back into 135. That's the retest of the high, the New York. Absolutely, I do see that coming. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do our legend 50K account giveaway right now. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are part of this giveaway. All right, I'm gonna close the entries, guys. All right, I'm gonna call out the winner right now. We'll kind of make it nice and short here today because you gotta, obviously it's a Thanksgiving week, so I don't want to make my streaming any longer than I really have to, at least this week, because guys, is the market open tomorrow? Hold on one second, guys. What's tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow's Wednesday, so Wednesday the market closes on Thursday, right, guys? If I'm not wrong, I think the market's open tomorrow. Sorry, the market's open tomorrow, but I think they're closed on Thursday. I think they close on Thursday. I'm so freaking confused. Yeah, I think they close on Thursday. Can somebody confirm they actually close on Thursday? Half day on Thursday and Friday. Thursday is half day. All right, but I guess the Globex ASIA is open though, right? They're just closed early, but then Globex ASIA is kind of open. Yeah. Back open at 5 p.m. That's right. Okay, half day Thursday and Friday. The future market is open. Okay. All right. Thanks for letting me know, man. Oh yeah, by the way, we gotta call out the winner here, guys. Good luck, everybody. Thank you, guys. You are the best. Okay, so I am going to call out the winner, guys. No exclamation tiger. I already closed the entries here, guys. Bro, what are you talking? The entries are closed now. All right, good luck, guys. I am gonna call out the winner now. Oh, you need it open? All right, guys, I'm gonna open it for 1 minute. I'm just gonna open it for 1 more minute. 1 more minute, guys. Let's get everybody in. Oh man, look at this pullback here, guys. I freaking hate every time he does that. You're manifesting the win. Scalpish. There's only 2 traders in this market. Yeah, right now, yeah, this market is kind of wonky, man. It's not even funny anymore. The volume's not there at all. It's kind of dead. Incredible. Trader, destroy your market. That's me. You're starting to sell and losing. So I guess it looks like Apple is again the #1. Oh, the iPhones. Yeah, they've got the biggest market share now, unfortunately. Yeah, Samsung was #1, but then it's like Apple. In 14 years, guys, this is the first in 14 years Apple has become the #1 phone. Obviously, from a market share standpoint, they've sold the most, which is great for Apple and shareholders in Apple, I guess, right? But that's incredible. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna share my Discord link again. If you guys are new here, this is my Discord link. And if you guys want to hang out with one of the best Discord, go ahead and click on that link. We'll take you right in. All right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner now. Tiger is sad for Korean Samsung. I'm definitely not. My family uses all iPhones. I'm the only guy using Samsung Galaxy. And I obviously need a new phone myself because I've got a lot of cracks on my phone. You guys know the reason why I've got a lot of cracks, but I'm not gonna tell you. But I got a lot of cracks. I've got to get a new one. I wonder what it's gonna be though. But all right, guys, let's call out the winner, guys. Finally rallied. Yeah, I've got a Note 10. I've been using it for like I don't know how many years now. I think I've been using it for like 5 years now. I think 4 or 5 years, and it's still working out pretty nicely. The only thing that I've got to kind of fix. Well, I'm kind of like in that situation where do I really have to fix my phone? With a lot of cracks, or do I actually get a new one? I'm not sure. I'm just kind of thinking about it. I'm not cheap, by the way. It's just that you know, I don't necessarily try to get a new phone just because it's new technology. You know, I use it until it kind of breaks completely down, right? Stop throwing your phone. I don't throw at the chart, okay? I don't throw at the chart. I throw it somewhere else, but not at the chart. Yeah, but I've got a lot of cracks, yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to call out the winner now. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna close the entries. Everybody, good luck, guys. I'm picking the winner now. So we did listed account too. Oh, I did a listed as well. It's weird. All right, Kensoki. All right, guys, is Mr. Kensoki here? I'm gonna give you 3 minutes. And Mr. Kensoki here. Mr. Kensoki. Oh, guys, man, this market is ripping. Kensoki. I want to talk to you, Mr. Kensoki. Let me know if you are here. Mr. Kensoki in the house. Let me know. Yeah, I've got 3 minutes. 3 minutes running now. He's got 2 more minutes to confirm that he is here. Maybe Kensoki is not here. Kensoki. Mr. Kensoki. Kensoki is not here. 1.5 minutes to go, guys. What's the best offer we have in town? Man, it's tough. They're all kind of similar, to be honest, man. We don't have... I don't see anything that really stands out. All right, I don't see anything that really stands out as a, you know, as the number one kind of a deal, in my opinion. I think we've got like 4 or 5 firms come up with the pretty similar deals, you know, like Take Profit Trader, Apex, who else? Legend, Tradify, Funded Next, all comes pretty close, but I don't really see any like anything that really crazily stand out, right? I'll be honest, but it's still better. Let's say better deal than we used to have in the last few months, right? It's still a Black Friday, but it's not a crazy like you know, super duper Black Friday. You know, maybe they should have like a deal that has like few days, you know, 3 days limited time offer, you know, a flash sale kind of a thing, but we never really got any of that. So all right, by the way, guys, I think the winner is not here, so I'm gonna have to redo the draw, right? 8 more seconds to go and he's not here. So I mean, I don't know what we had last year, to be honest. Did we have anything crazy last month? Sorry, last year. I don't think we had anything crazy last year either, right? All right, guys, he's not here anymore. So Mr. Kenzie is not here, so we're gonna have to redraw this. I'm gonna cancel. What? He's not here, right? I don't think he's here. Yeah, he's done. Kensoki fried chicken. Well, I don't know about that, but I'm gonna pick the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody. Mr. 44 the Punisher. Oh my god, Mr. Punisher, is he here? I'm pretty sure he's here. 44x Punisher, guys. Mr. Punisher, do not punish me. Is he here? Oh my god, he's here. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know Mr. 44 Punisher very well. Congrats, man. I'm glad and happy. I'm happy for you. You are the winner here. This is our 3rd giveaway. Congrats for being the winner. And by the way, guys, we got a lot more giveaways happening tomorrow as well. It was a lot of fun. I mean, it's a slow freaking week, right? So we're gonna be here in the next few days trying to have some fun with my fellow traders. And it's Thanksgiving, and yeah, it's that time of the year to do a lot of giveaways, right? Come hang out, we'll have a lot of fun, you know. Let's not try to be too serious with our trading. But what is that again? I'm gonna one second, guys. I'm gonna have to do something here. So there we go. We've got yeah, that's Mr. Punisher here, the winner. What this guy's already wanted before. I don't. Oh man, guys, we are getting a nice little pump here in this market, which is great. Yeah, maybe I should have just gone long here, guys, man. Maybe it's a mistake. I kind of missed out the whole move here now. Incredible, guys. We are retesting that New York high, right? Actually, we've passed that already now. We're not even there anymore. We've passed that, right? That was in New York. Oh my god, man. Yeah, we should have just gone long, man. It's a half day on Thursday, so tomorrow's a full day, and then Thursday half, and then Friday half, or tomorrow. Actually, Friday's closed, I think, if I'm not wrong, guys. I think Friday's closed. I think Friday is closed. Am I not right? Man, this market is just constantly ripping here, guys. Incredible. The Friday close. Oh, okay, both are half days. I thought somebody mentioned that it's closed on Friday, but man, guys, man, I'm definitely very tempted to go long here, but we're so overstretched to the upside. I'm just not sure what to do now. I missed that. I definitely did miss that boat. Sorry, Thursday is closed, guys. Is it your channel, your rules, so not complaining? It is your channel. What does that mean, call Bob? I'm not sure what you're saying. It is your channel and your rules, so not complicating. Not complaining. I'm not sure what you're saying, brother. I'm trying to understand, but you sent a schedule on the Discord. Oh, NQ Scalper. Okay. Thursday closes at 1 p.m. Oh, maybe the futures. Okay, so maybe a perfect play is saying Thursday's closed probably for the equities, right? Maybe it's for the equities, but not with the futures. Futures is all half day, I guess, right? All half day, and equities are closed. Yeah, I'm trying to go long, but I mean, I kind of missed that boat. So I'm not really sure what to do now. I'm really trying to find some better. We're kind of overextended to the upside, right? RSI sitting at 80, guys. That's really overly extended to the upside. So we're gonna have to expect some kind of a pullback, or I don't know. I cannot be a buyer to go long here. Definitely not. Yeah. ES approaching 68,000. Oh, 6,800. Yeah, we are 5 points away from ES, guys. Okay, so there we go, guys. NQ pulling back here. NQ pulling back. Yeah, I don't know. I can't even show NQ because of the strength that we are actually getting right now in NQ. It's not a... Yeah, this NQ is still looking pretty strong, by the way. Let's trade soybeans. Yeah, that's right. There we go. Perfect play. Losing my audio. I think my audio is fine, but we're getting a pullback in this market, guys. 139 right now. Yeah, I had an Apex payout request that I made. Out of 3, I got denied twice, man. Again, incredible. Yeah, I mean, I see a lot of traders getting approved pretty nicely, but my denial rate is pretty nasty. I'll be honest. Yeah, I've got to get better at managing my Apex accounts. Yeah, not good. Not good at all. But at the same time, those accounts are kind of building, right? As you guys can see, I've got a little less than. I've got one account with $60,000 in profit in total. So I mean, 60,000 means $10,000 of profit in total, right? So at some point, I'm gonna have to take this thing out, right? Denied for what reason? Improper risk management. Yeah. Yeah, improper risk management. I mean, I'm not complaining, because that's the reason why I've got a lot of other firms I trade, right? You guys know I requested a payout today with TopStep. That's $3,200, and I had daily payouts with Take Profit Trader for the longest time, right? And it obviously came to an end this morning, but I could be back on daily payouts tomorrow, right? And then you know, we got more payouts coming in from funding ticks as well, and then we'll continue with TopStep, and that's it. You know, we'll try to keep taking payouts, and I've got funded next account as well that I will be requesting a payout maybe pretty soon here in the next few days if everything goes all right. So yeah, it's gonna be tough, right? But I mean, at least I'm very grateful and content because it was much worse last year at the same time. Obviously, it's kind of hard to kind of compare me this year versus last year at the same time. But I mean, last year, I don't know if you guys remember, but I had no accounts to trade, and I had to start all over again in November, right? After getting a big fat denial on my payout to the Apex last year in October. Now it's literally about over $24,000 of payout denials, right? So. And then so I had to kind of restart everything all over again, and that was a tough one, right? Last year, November, December was really tough. I'll be honest. I had no accounts to trade, man. Think about it. But you know, putting that into perspective, this year is definitely much better, right? Not even comparable, guys. I'm extremely grateful and thankful, right, of what we have here with us. Right, I've got over strong, like I got over 20 accounts, really strong, right, with lots of cushions. So I can't be complaining, right? I just gotta find a way to slowly try to grind and get more payouts, right? TopStep, after getting a request a payout here to $3,200, I'm gonna be loading in some accounts. I don't know what I'm gonna be loading in. I'm gonna have to think about what accounts, but I'm not gonna go heavy with TopStep, by the way, right? It's just never gonna be my top 3 for now. But again, the problem is TopStep. Keep in mind, guys, man, TopStep is what pays me, right? You look at just take a look at the chart, guys, on the left hand side, on that Excel chart. Take a look, guys. What are my biggest payouts? You guys can see it yourself. TopStep is definitely in that top 2 right now, right? So, you know, like you see everybody talking, you know, bad about TopStep, but at the end of the day, you know, it's paying me, right? It's paying me. So let's not kid ourselves. Let's just try to be very honest. Just because we're not an affiliate, that doesn't mean that we talk shit about somebody. TopStep definitely does pay. I think it's been definitely, if you I think this year it's definitely been in my top 4 from a payout standpoint. I think it's top 4, easily top 4, right? So it's yeah. For the month of November, it's already paid me. I don't know what, again, I can't remember exactly. I can't see the chart myself, even though it's in front of me. on that screen. It's too tiny, so I can't read. But I think it's definitely paid me over $8,000 for the month of November alone. So, right? And Take Profit Trader also getting pretty close. And Apex also pretty close, $6,000. And funding ticks is what I actually ended up getting a lot better at, right? I was kind of like pretty bad with with funding ticks lately, but November has been a lot better. So I'm happy. I'm happy with the result with funding ticks. I'm not as happy with Apex because I got a lot of denials, right? And that's a problem. With if I did not get any denials, maybe I could be over $15,000 by now. But you know what? It's okay because those accounts are building buffer, right? So I'm not gonna complain about it because I do kind of feel like, you know, maybe in the month of December it's gonna be a huge Apex month, right? I could maybe end up getting about $15,000 to $20,000 maybe just through Apex alone in December, right? Because accounts are building buffer, right, as we speak. Even though we get denied, the accounts are still there in existence, right? So, and we'll try to do well with Top Step yet again, and we'll try to get better at Take Profit Trader, and we'll continue doing what we're doing with funding ticks as well there. So yeah, we got some quite a few accounts to trade, and also Billinox is what I'm really trying to place my bet on. I want to really try to be strong with Billinox, right? Really gonna try and grind with Billinox, guys, man. I do really have confidence to do better with Billinox. I just not like the result is not there, and I do regret, but I think I could be a lot better at Billinox. I have the confidence. I really do feel, you know, like I've got what it takes to get it up there with Billinox. It's just that I've just never really got a chance to properly manage Billinox accounts. So why did Apex deny you? Because of the consistency. Sorry, not consistency. What is it called again? Improper risk management, right? It's the improper risk management. I think that's what it is. Yeah, Billinox is uncapped payout at 4th payout. Yeah, so that's the thing, right? I can do really well with Billinox, by the way. I know how to do well with Billinox. It's just that I just gotta get I've just gotta focus and take time with Billinox. It's just that I've been always in a rush because it was always my last you know, like it's like I start trading with the most important ones, with Apex, with Take Profit Trader, with Top Step, and then time to time obviously with Lucid and Tradify, and then I get to Billinox for some reason. And obviously when it's that last little firm to trade, you're always in a rush to kind of finish it off, and that's when obviously you try to full tilt and you end up blowing your account even though you've got like $2,000 of drawdown. So that's a little bit of a challenge, but I'm gonna get through that. Yeah. I'm going to get a couple of Billinox 50k to see how they go. I love Billinox, man. Honestly, I have no complaints with Billinox. They've been great. You know, it's a great firm. You see, a lot of our fellow traders on our Discord get paid. They get paid trading Billinox, and I'm probably one of the few not getting paid. So there is a lot of room for improvements for me. Right, I've got a lot of room for improvements, even though I've got a lot of payouts across the board overall. Yeah, Billinox activation is too expensive. Yeah, but they get a big drawdown too, right? So they got $2,500 drawdown. That's pretty good. You figure out 2 of each of these deals that are going to see and how each one gets to get payout. Oh yeah, I mean, Cop Bob, I think that's a pretty good idea. Yeah, Mike Hansen, man, see you tomorrow for sure. Billinox does not have any rules for trading. Yeah, they got a pretty straightforward, simple rule. That's 40% consistency. And quite honestly, everything else, they're kind of lenient, right? I haven't seen them being very difficult to get payouts. And quite honestly, I don't think they have the technology to kind of track too, which is kind of a good thing. You're trying to be like Tiger and get paid. Bien vendidos. Hey, man. Take your time, bro. Take your time. At some point, it's gonna come. You just need to be disciplined and take your time, be patient, you know. Joy Crypto, man, good work. You've been blessed by the Lord Jesus Christ to do what you're doing. Oh yeah, man, obviously I'm very thankful, and I obviously thank God too. Yeah, Top Step has the most simple rule. They are, yeah. I mean, they have made things a little complicated now with the new rule, and that's why I'm kind of like going a little soft with Top Step, but not I still like Top Step. Yeah, no complaints for sure. Yeah, but definitely not in my top 3 though right now. At least right now, not in my top 3. All right, guys, I'm trying to get to some trading, but it's just too difficult, right? We obviously got a nice, beautiful bounce off that 140, and it looks like we want to just keep moving here to the upside. Yeah, I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm not sure if I want to be trading this price action right now, even though it's kind of like having a nice little pump to the upside, right? Higher low, and we actually got a nice, beautiful break out of the New York high as well, 135, and we're right now at 157, guys. Incredible. I missed that whole move to the upside. You guys seen that, right? I've been trading at these levels and getting stopped out, trying to short this market, and this market literally at 161 now. Oh my god, guys, man, I feel like crap right now, to be honest, but we'll look for another day, I guess, right? This is not gonna be the first and the last trade. We got all day tomorrow to trade as well, so you know what I mean. Just go long, can't go wrong. I know, man. EMA trader, just close your eyes and just go long, I guess. What's the new Top Step rule? It's there on our Discord, brother. You want to go check that out? When Billinox 91%, they've got 985 right now. I don't know if they're gonna be changing that, to be honest. They may stick to their 85% off through the rest of the month, I think. Eventually, I'd like to give Billinox and Quant Tower a shot. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move back to Quant Tower eventually, because they're gonna have to stop trading on Project X, right? So a lot of my accounts are gonna be back to Quant Tower. I really have to get a better computer too, because right now my computer cannot handle both Quant Tower and Tradovate trading. But I can certainly tell you I've got a lot of room for improvements, and that's all I can say. And that's a great thing, because right now, even with pretty decent size payouts and with a lot of room for improvements, maybe we can have a much bigger trading journey next year. Much bigger. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, man. I think 2026 is gonna be a year to really shine, not just for me, for everybody else as well, including you. Take Profit Trader 100%. Take Profit Trader is definitely my number one for now. Tradify is getting pretty close, but again, the DLL is kind of hurting me. It's not for everybody. I kind of find it difficult to trade the DLL, to be honest. Me personally, I find it a little bit challenging to trade DLL. That's the problem. But it's a great firm though. Tradify is a great firm, absolutely. The thing is, right, if you can actually get above the buffer, I think that's when it starts to become very easy to trade Tradify. But it's like it almost kind of feels like Take Profit Trader pro account to get above buffer to get payouts. Tradify's DLL kind of feels like the same, right? Just gotta get above the DLL. Sorry, not DLL. Just gotta get above the buffer. That makes you feel a lot more comfortable trading those accounts, and that obviously goes to the same thing with Lucid. Just and right, you hit DLL. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's not for everybody. And me personally, I don't really like DLL. I tried, but it's just not working out as much as well as I thought it will. So I'm kind of like trying to scale back for now, but we'll see how it goes, guys. I think Lucid is kind of working on getting their accounts without DLL, right? I don't think firms are gonna get away with just having the DLL for the longest time. At some point, the traders are gonna try to move away, right? Do they tell you why? What do you mean? Are you in the apex denial? They give you the reasons why you get denied. They give you the reasons why you get denied. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you are new here today, right now. That really supports the stream. And thank you guys for doing that as well. Daily loss limits, right? It's a soft reach. So let's say if your total drawdown is about 300, let's say if it's $2,000, the soft reach, that's called the daily loss limit. So every day you got like a limit that if you cross that limit, then you're gonna have to they're gonna lock you out from trading that day. So if your total drawdown is about 2,000, DLL is usually about $1,200, right? Anyways, guys, I think it's kind of a little late in a day, and the market is, I know the market is moving here to the upside, but yet again, it's not as it's still very choppy, right? I don't think it's, yeah, it's not a clean move. Pretty choppy. I guess it's a Thanksgiving week. I guess that's probably the reason why it's being really choppy here. Obviously, slow little grind to the upside, but it's still very choppy for me, I think, in my opinion. So I guess we'll have to see you guys back tomorrow. I will be live tomorrow, guys, by the way. I will be live tomorrow morning. I will call that out on our Discord tomorrow. So for now, I'm gonna have to go, and I thank everybody for being here today. As always, it's great to see you guys here with us every day. I go live every day, Globex, at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and twice a week during New York. And tomorrow is the day to go live in the morning, guys. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye right here, guys. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here once again. God bless you and your family, everybody. I hope you all had a great night. Have a great rest of the night as well. We'll see you guys back tomorrow, New York. Everybody, thank you so much. Have a great Thanksgiving as well. Take care and goodbye. Peace.